Look at this. We're in Anse Marcel just to check in. We're apparently heading out again. Another beautiful place. And we had the luxury of seeing sharks here. Feeding them lemon sharks. Look at this. It's gorgeous. I'm not getting ready to head out again. Another beautiful spot up here. They're all getting anxious to go. I better get my stuff on too so we can go, right, Captain?
Right on.
Right on.
As soon as I heard shark, we're out of here.
We're out of here because I'm not in the water anymore, right? That's why. There's no way I go in there. Horse is doing a 360. Are ya?
Huh?
A 360?
Yeah.
Signing off. Sailing up there again. Beautiful spot. See you later. Bye for now.
So we should not set this.